Question of the week. Do we sell the property for a small loss or do we wait for the market to turn? About 6 months ago, we saw a property the person had just purchased and their circumstances changed and they needed to sell that property. They were getting offers that were actually above the purchase price, but when they factored in their buying costs, particularly stamp duty, they were going to be selling for a small loss. That person didn't want to accept that small loss at the time. Instead, the property sat on the market and it was vacant for over 6 months. Then they actually ended up selling it at a loss because it was sat on the market too long and the market changed. Interest rates have gone up, it was after lockdown, and then the buyers weren't there and they were thinking, what's wrong with this property? Then they ended up selling it for a loss. Added on top of all their buying costs, the small loss ended up being quite a large loss. So there's no right or wrong answer to this, but sometimes you've got to look at the opportunity cost. So it might be better off, selling for that small loss if you're actually going to put that money towards something bigger and better. Life, unfortunately, circumstances change and can change very quickly. And when you are transacting property, there are some large buying costs with stamp duty and of selling costs involved as well. So just look at the long term and don't just think of that short term, because taking a small loss on a property, particularly as the market's changed, may actually save you a lot more money in the long run. Unfortunately, the market isn't like it was last year, where the property prices are going up by potentially $100,000 per month. We are in a normal market, so if you have any questions, please get in contact. We'd be happy to help.
For more information, call us or visit our website